Good morning, guys. I've got a Storm FS38 here, just for a tune-up. It runs, it's no problem, but and I heard it once run when I was at a customer, and I remember it have a bog down when it was cold. So we're going to check it over and see if we can tune that. And I've got a feeling we're going to use the tool set of Matt, the Scrap Whisperer, today. Let's see. I'll remove this and see what can we see, and look at the spark plug to start with. Okay guys, the spark plug doesn't look too bad, but all that dust come out of the spark plug. Okay guys, and this is the state of affairs of the air cleaner housing and the air cleaner itself. It does not look too good. It might be a little bit blocked. And then if you look inside, you will see it look very wet. So let's clean up what we can and see what we have for tuning. There is some tuning areas. Okay guys, I cleaned and blow out the air cleaner. I wash it with fuel. So I think, and I cleaned the plug and put it back. So I think we must start it now and see what it do, and then we can start tuning if necessary. Okay guys, let's go for it and see what it do. Switch it on, give it a couple of pumps here and put it on choke, and let's see. Choke off. Okay guys, it seems if it runs maybe a little bit rich on the high end. So let me clean up there and see if we can tune it a little bit leaner and see what it do. Okay guys, this is the high end. I hope you can see. This is the high end. I'm going to turn it a quarter turn, more rich, and then we will go to the other side if it is any more bad. So let's turn it. I need just 2 hands, guys. Okay guys, it's now a quarter turn more rich. I'm not sure if it will start without priming and choke, but let's see. Not good. I'm going to go a half turn now to right. In other words, back to normal and quarter turn right. Okay, let's hear it now. Okay Okay, I give it another turn, so it's now a half turn from where it was original. Guys, I'm a little bit confused. When it pick up speed very nice, but it have a sound like a motorbike that run against its governor. That's my feeling. And it sound if it become worse when I make it more lean and more rich, it does not sound good at all. So now it is where it was, but it starts good and it idles good. So I'm not really sure what to do. On the other hand, there's no string on the head there, and when it have power, I think I'm going to put string on and test it when they then run on power and have that little bit of workout. Maybe it's okay then. Okay guys, there's a piece of nice and long grass. Okay guys, the spool work if I tap it on the ground. So I think everything is sharp. Okay guys, and then I have a Bosch 660 professional angle grinder that is totally dead. And I see this, so I think that's the logic place to start and see what's going on there before we open it up. Okay guys, it's kind of very dirty inside. And there's all kinds of springs and connectors and everything that might cause a problem. And that side. It's funny, there's a lot of stuff inside. So let me check it out a bit. Okay guys, that is the brushes and it's spring, and you will probably not see it, but I can see there is still some carbon left, and the armature look really not bad at all. It spins well. It sounds good. And the other side. So I'm going to do a few tests. And this is the switch. We will see if the switch make contact. So I'll bring you back when I see something strange. Okay guys, the switch work, I've got it there on positive and negative. And if I press on the switch, look at my meter. Okay, so that works. So now I'm going to do some tests on the brushes. Let us see. There's continuity. Okay, and the other one. And there as well. Okay, so maybe I must see if I can do something about the cleaning of that switch. And also other points. I see there's quite a lot of connectors and so on. I'll bring you back. Okay guys, everything around the brushes works well. So I think I'm going to see if I can clean in a way the switch. Okay guys, I've got a problem. The neutral is off between this point. This is what the white tape was. I took everything off and I cut the wire to make a better contact, but from here to there, which is the other side, it's open circuit, and the brown is continuity. So somewhere in this little short there is a wire off, probably inside there. So I'm going to put the new on quickly and we can test it. Okay guys, I've got a new lead on, and it was not very easy to get all these roots for the wires to get it in place. So I'm just going to put slide on this part and then we're going to test it. Okay guys, here comes the test. And I took off all this front piece here. So hopefully, I really hope it works now. Yes, 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 yes. Good news. Good news guys, and probably on, not probably, definitely next video will be a sander and a drill. Which have problems as well. So we saved this one. So I'll put this one and the weed eater up for a video now. Cheers, my friends.